The biggest thing for Hallwood Irrigation is to be able to deliver water to its customers, for its landowners actually, and the other thing is to keep that affordable. If you can't keep it affordable and nobody can afford to buy it, then what good's it do? The Hallwood Irrigation Company started in February 10th of 1910. It's a very old company. It has supplied water to its landowners all these years. And our company is owned by stock. That's why it's a company. So we deliver our water to our shareholders. But the shares are actually tied to the land, not to the owner themselves. The land changes, the shares change with that. It's all agricultural land and roughly about 8,200 acres. We have prunes and walnuts, still a little bit of peaches, and then there's pasture, and then the biggest crop is rice. The district's water supply comes from the Yuba River. We have water rights on the Yuba River back from 1910 to present day. So that water is delivered from the Yuba River at the Garrett Point Dam. That's where our diversion is. And then there's a fish screen just below our intake that screens the small salmon out so they don't go down our canal. So we've got about 32 miles of ditches in our district, and there's a lot of infrastructure in that. There's crossings, there's weirs, there's all kinds of things that have to be kept up. Busy time, of course, is spring and summer. That's when we're delivering water. But on the off time, that's when we're working on canals, cleaning canals out. A lot of that happens early spring, some of it happens late fall, because you have to have the water out of the system to do a lot of those things. The biggest challenge for all the districts, not just our district, but all the districts, is fish passage. None of us want to harm salmon. None of our districts want to harm salmon in our diversion. So that's always something that's on the back of our mind. What can we do better? How can we make sure that we protect the environment and fish and still deliver our water? It's really a fine line. But the thing is, the economic side of that is there's a lot of land at Yuba County that has water on it and needs water on it, but yet there's a lot of stuff that needs to be protected. So we work hand in hand to make sure that that gets done. You can take one district and let's say it's just a piece of wire. That's all that is. It's not very strong by itself. But if you take all the districts and put them and weave that wire together, now you've got a cable. And that's pretty strong. And working with the agency and ourselves and winding that together with the agency, we're partners with the agency. That makes us a pretty strong voice.